Yum, yum.
Hello, happy hump day. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Better Connecticut. I'm Kara Sundlin.
Yeah, we are starting our show today from the kitchen. Rod Cornish and Carlos Paucar are here from the Hot Rod Cafe in New London, where wings will be flying out the door this weekend during the big football finale. Nice to see you guys.
Thanks, nice to see you.
Just how many wings do you think you'll make and give away, or sell rather?
Yeah, sell.
Yeah, not giving away, but I mean, how big of a deal are the wings?
Several thousand pounds.
Several thousand pounds. And what do the chickens do without their wings? How do they get around?
I'm not sure. They come with the wings already, so I'm not sure.
So you're going to be, throughout the show, we're going to learn some really important secrets, because you guys have just gotten some major awards for even things like chocolate wings.
Yeah, this weekend, Carlos just made a chocolate wing. We won 3 awards for it.
A
spicy chocolate wing, yeah.
I never would have.
Is that like a mole, or it's real chocolate?
I tried a mole, but that wasn't working for me, so we tried our thing.
It's chocolate.
It's chocolate.
It's too bad. You could have called it holy mole.
Almost.
That's true.
But right now, we're just getting started, because you have lots of different varieties. But what's the basic? If people are going to do this at home, if they're going to go, well, first of all, what do they buy at the grocery store? Is there a certain thing they should be looking for?
Yeah, I think they should get the wingettes usually, not the whole wing with the tip and everything, but the wingettes are usually easy to work with, and they fry it pretty easily.
That's typically what I get when I make my wings, the wingette.
Yeah, big ones, nice jumbo ones.
You're a better wing man.
I'm a better wing man, that's right.
All right, so then you get them home, and what do you do with them?
I'll take that one. I think the best thing to do is to rinse them off.
Yeah.
And so
you do rinse them off?
Always, yeah. Definitely clean any meat, really, and then rinse it off, and then we pat them dry. It's very important, Carlos was talking about this before we got here, to pat them off before you put them in the fryer to avoid the splatter and to keep your grease nice as well, your oil nice as well.
Okay, so you're going to show us a little bit. We're going to get some wings into the fryer later. We'll get to eat them a little bit later. But
oh, you say fryer later.
Is that, what do we have on the stove here?
We gotta make a basic buffalo sauce. Anyone can make a home.
It's not our recepe that won the trophy in Buffalo, but
that would be
we're showing you a good home version of it.
It's a good
and
version.
We're gonna learn actually how to make this a little bit later. But we're gonna drop some.
Get them cooking.
We've got some wings, and you've already rinsed them. You've patted them dry.
They already.
Now what?
So the first thing is to make sure that yours is nice and hot.
Okay.
We do it at 350.
350.
350.
Yep.
Okay. So
and you notice the wings are naked.
God,
we do our wings
so
naked except for our southern fried, so they're nice and crispy and no extra flour.
the sauce
on them.
comes later.
Yes.
The sauce comes later.
The sauce that is cleaning my sinuses right now.
Yes.
So good.
It's really,
He's
really
gonna drop
spicy.
those.
So you drop them in.
Yep.
Timing on.
All right.
We'll do that for about 12 minutes, depending on the size of your wings.
Perfect. So that gives us a good opportunity to head on over and do a little chat, and then we'll come back and join you guys.
Should we lose our aprons a little bit?
I'm not. I'm keeping mine on.
Keep them on.
Because we're coming right back over.
Be prepared for anything. It smells amazing in here. Now we're back in the kitchen now.
Rod and Carlos are waiting for us. And how did the wings come out, guys? They're still cooking?
Yeah,
they're still cooking.
They're just
about
about
to be done.
Excellent.
You're going to take them out, and you're going to put them out in there. So we want to just, while those are cooking, we want to give people an idea. If they want to celebrate the big game with you, they can just go to the Hot Rod Cafe.
Yeah, it's one of our biggest takeout days, and we're also doing a party that night with a buffet and discounts on beverages as well.
Can you watch the game?
You can watch the game. Yeah, we have like 20 TVs, and so you can definitely watch the game.
20 TVs?
Oh
my gosh.
It'll be on our sound system and everything. So
Will one be on Olympic ice skating?
If you come, sure.
Yeah, absolutely.
We'll put one on with a 12-inch black and white over in the corner. You can watch it on.
All right, we're going to learn how to make the sauce.
Yes.
All right, how do we do that, Carlos?
So this is a basic buffalo sauce. You got in the store any kind of buffalo sauce?
Okay.
I prefer red hot sauce.
Red hot sauce.
Frank's.
Oh, yes. Okay, a lot of chefs like that. So right in the grocery store, Red Hot Frank's.
You get like, I'll be making enough sauce for 50 wings right now.
Yeah.
50 wings.
Yeah, you need like 4 cups of hot sauce.
4 cups of Frank's
Red
hot sauce. Is that like a whole bottle, or you just need to buy a couple?
Well, it depends on the bottle. We buy it like this.
We buy it like
a
jug.
We buy it by the gallon.
Like 2 of the bottles at the grocery store.
Oh, probably. Okay, so buy at least 2 bottles when you go. All right, and that's all going in there. There's your 4 cups.
Yes.
There was a little something in there before you put that in there. What was already in the pan?
Oh, the pan was already a hot sauce. I want to make sure it's hot enough to melt the butter.
Just a little bit more on the way of hot sauce.
So then we got about 2 ounces of butter.
2 ounces of.
Sorry.
It's okay.
So this is why when people say buffalo sauce is kind of fattening.
You can put that in there. It's a clean stovetop.
Yeah, it's okay. You can do that.
Let's get it off.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, all right. Well, there
All
you
right, so
have it.
anyway, a little less butter that for us, but we would want a generous amount of butter goes in there.
Yep.
And we're going to have this You can watch this if you're making your own wings. You can watch this on betterct.com. There are the proportions, or the recipe rather, right now.
Yum, yum, yum. So the butter melts down.
It's gonna be like melted down and it start getting a little boiling.
A little boiling. Okay.
When it get the boiling point, we're just gonna put a little bit of like 2 tablespoons of
Do
garlic.
you want this to go up higher to make it boil?
Yeah.
Okay. Because this is one of those super duper stoves that goes on really fast, induction.
Okay.
So
Unfortunately, we only have about a minute. So we're gonna have to book this along.
yeah, but that's okay. So the butter's melting, and then you're gonna throw in some herbs and spices. If you want to go to the bar, it's a fun scene. I think we have some pictures of people holding frisbees at the bar.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Connect 4 is a big thing we do. So I had somebody make us a Connect 4 life size, and we use frisbees for the pieces. That's our actual downstairs. We have a free arcade downstairs that people can use, and then we have the main bar restaurant upstairs.
Okay.
So
and we're gonna just show some all kinds of wings. How many different flavors?
the chocolate that we have over there is our 30th flavor.
Yep.
So we have 30 flavors right now. And those are just some of our top seller flavors over
and
there.
other food as well.
Yeah, yeah. We do
Oh,
prime
lobster grilled cheese. Mm. Yeah. And you have a patio. Looks like a fun scene there. There's a patio inside
we're
and
right on the
outside.
Thames River, looking right over at the electric boat, and as the boats go by and everything, so it's cool.
All right, so we're finishing up the sauce.
Yep.
And we put a little bit that oregano.
Oregano. We put that in there.
Okay, and thyme. Is
And
that the
thyme.
last thing?
Yes.
And then the wings go in.
Yep.
And then the wings go right in.
Actually, no.
No.
No, not yet.
We put the sauce on the wings.
You put the sauce on the wings. Okay, so while they do that, just remember the Hot Rod Cafe is located on Bank Street in New London, famous Bank Street. You can check out a menu and get a feel for the restaurant online at hotrodscafenewlondon.com.
Our Super Bowl wing, our big game wing order form is on there as well.
Okay, good. So you can order ahead, and you can head to the Hot Rod Cafe to watch the big game. They'll also have a hot buffet, as they were mentioning, of desserts and all kinds of yummy food, of course, wings, half-price drinks for anyone who buys a special bracelet. Check out the Facebook page for more details, or just search Hot Rod Cafe.
And remember, you just order them and pick them up at your place, right?
And bring them home.
Bring them home. That's awesome.